Have you ever run out of toilet paper? Then we have a product for you. Introducing the toilet paper turner. Come take a closer look.
Let's take a look inside. We've got an infrared LED over here, corresponding to an infrared sensor over here. An infrared LED over here, corresponding to an infrared sensor over here. We've got a color sensor on the door. We've got a button here and an LED over here for user interface. We've got a motor here to turn the toilet paper, and it's all run by the Bobot.
Everything first starts with this IR pair. Now, if there's a full roll here, then nothing will happen. However, if the roll is empty, then these two IR pairs will signal to turn on the color sensor. Now, then if the color sensor reads brown, then the whole thing will move, giving you a new roll. However, if it still reads white, then it will continue the cycle and check again. Now, if you can't get that small piece of toilet paper off, that last bit, then you can push the button and hold it, and will give you a new roll. Now, if you're running low on rolls, then a little LED will shine, signaling for you to refill the rolls.
Let's take a look at how the toilet paper turner works. First you turn it on, then you close the door, and you start pulling out the toilet paper. When you get to about this point, it begins to read, the IR pairs begin to read, and it will start turning on the color sensor. And if we continue pulling it out, it will continue to check. And it rotates. But what happens if all the toilet paper doesn't come off of the roll? Well, the color sensor won't read the right color to make it turn on its own. But if you press the button and wait, it'll read that it's mostly empty and will turn anyway. And now that it is mostly empty on the inside, as you can see, the LED on the outside is lighting up to tell you that they should be replaced as soon as possible.